My name's Edward Hanna. I'm the Managing Director of a company called JSN Hanna. We're a second generation building company established by my dad and my two uncles. We're a family business. There are 5 or 6 members of the family working in the company. We've been around for almost 50 years. There are 96 units spread out across 5 4-storey buildings, all have a lift, a basement. We contacted AFS and spoke to the crew, came to an agreement very quickly. I think within about 2 weeks we had shop drawings, maybe even less than that. Within 3 weeks we had panels on site. We put up 12,500 square metres in around 13 weeks. So to not have a real lead into the project and be able to provide shop drawings and panels in 3 weeks, absolutely unbelievable. I don't think anyone would have been able to do that. Not having to use a tower crane on site was amazing. We would have had to probably install at least 2 tower cranes here, possibly 3 tower cranes, and they're very expensive. I mean, our lifting build here would have been 20–30% of what it would have been with a tower crane. So not having to use a tower crane, being able to handle the panels by hand rather than have to slot each wall in using a tower crane is an amazing advantage in the construction process. Wastage from AFS panelling is minimal, so it means less going to the bins, less going into landfill, better for the environment. So it's a product that lends itself to ease of use, speed, and very little waste product. Great product. The ease of working with AFS is you're able to put up a lot more product a lot quicker, and the quality of finish is unsurpassed when you compare it to brickwork or cement render. And the finish, if you see this, it's almost like a mirror finish. Render, you've got a lot more material, you're mixing sand, cement, you're slapping it up, it takes a lot longer for it to dry. This is up, we put a furring channel at times and jib rocking, whereas this wall here, this is actually the AFS finish. If you look at this, you can't see a joint in place. The wall's put up, we set the joints, we do a sealer, and we do 2 coats of paint, and this is the finish you end up with. The support from AFS is something that, it's one of the main reasons we keep going back to them. From the drafting process, getting plans drawn up, shop drawings, always very accurate, very responsive, very quick. Panelling is always delivered on site, on time. The whole due process of logistics is always governed, controlled. There's a good reporting system in place to let us know if there is a hiccup, and obviously construction there are always hiccups. A good company's measured by how they react and roll with the punches. AFS are fantastic as far as that's concerned. Getting the stuff on site, installing it. If there are any issues, and we always make mistakes, not that often, but if there's any issues with a panel being incorrect or something needs to be modified or changed or created from scratch, we've seen it get done in 24 hours. In an industry that's moving so quickly and where time is of an essence, I just haven't seen a company as good as AFS in getting back to you and rolling with the punches and making changes and adapting and really being your partner in the whole process. Our relationship with AFS is something that we're going to bank on in the future. We've come off this project, it's been a great experience. We've got another project in the works. We're already in discussions with AFS. It's on 124 units, not far from this site. AFS will be supplying it, and we wouldn't consider going to any other company to put up this kind of product.
For further information, contact AFS today on 1300 727 237 or visit afswall.com.au.